Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share that time when I met somebody for whom I had exactly the same kind of intense feelings, the way I had for this twin flame. So as I was about to begin on new journey from 2017, because I was changing my this career industry from aviation to IT, wherein the work profile remained same as hiring and all, but then it was a complete new industry for me. So before joining that particular company, I told to divine that as that 10 years of game is about to be ended, only 3 years have left. So the people you have assigned in my life, I want you to start producing me evidences, and I give you this one last opportunity to save these people from my punishment once this game is over. So this was a commitment given to divine. If I am proven wrong once this 10 years of journey is ended, then I will do what you want me to do, and punishing wrong people, evil people, was one of the commitment. So divine heard me, and to produce me those evidences against these people, that's those evil, selfish, mean people. What divine did, divine created a situation in my life so that now I can see all those evidences from my own eyes. Also, before going on this journey, I had several questions about human life, about black magic and all. And also one major question, that do right people get married to evil people? Does this really happen on earth? And if this happens, then where is the role of divine? Why do you let that happen? This was one question. Another question was, I have heard so many times about this love spells and all, and people binding through magic. So is this really true? Why did I raise this question? Because these things do not work on me. So I knew this thing, and I understood that it doesn't work on me, but whether it works on other people or not, so I actually wanted to understand. Because if it happens, then this is such a serious thing on earth, and why do you let that happen? I had this question from divine. So as this reptilian girl who I met in aviation industry, she was girlfriend of my best friend, wherein she cheated on him twice with different people. My best friend knew, but then as about this best friend, we always had conversation, chit chat about career thing only, because he and I had same sort of goal in aviation industry. So that was the reason, and also I picked him up as a best friend as per my game only. So I only knew this person is kind of different from other people, and not those kind of people who are like backstabbing or jealous, but that wasn't the truth. So what has happened, as it was part of my game, that several times divine will create such energies or will stop my spiritual gift so that I could not see the reality of some people depending on the situation and the timing. So this person was part of that itself. So now, by that time, I knew this best friend since 2011. I met him in this aviation industry, and he knew that I stay alone, and he knew everything about my career, where I was working, on which role I was working. And also this person used to ask whenever I was switching my jobs, how much salary are you getting? So I never recognized why does he ask that. I thought maybe just like that. But then what has happened, that so when I told him that I am changing a location, and I have to shift my job and then the location itself, so he said, why don't you stay in my area, where his parents stays? So he said, like he can ask his parents to look for a flat for you on rent. You can stay nearby them, and it will be great for them also and for you also. All of a sudden, he said, as I asked for divine to create me to show me evidences about these people. So I said, okay, no problem with that. So this new company location was also nearby from that area, so I was absolutely right, absolutely fine about that. But now the place I was already living, I had to vacate that property because of some notice period and all. And then the property which his parents saw for me in his area, that required 10 to 15 days time for me to wait. So I thought, what would happen now, where would I stay? So all of a sudden, this best friend said, like, he has done a patch up again with that, his girlfriend who is a reptilian girl, and this was third time, and yeah, I was surprised, but then I was happy. It's, it's their love. They call that it's love. And so he said, why don't you stay with her for, these 10-15 days, and then you, once this property is, ready, you can shift here in my area. So I said no problem, and so he spoke to this, reptilian girl, and she was absolutely, happy, because she had different plans to spoil things now. And I realized this thing was, done. This situation was created by the divine itself. So now I see, because I knew this reptilian girl was into black magic. So I had this complete idea, but then wanted to see evidences. So I shifted at her place. I stayed with her for 10 to 15 days. This person is working as a flight attendant, wherein her face is actually horrible looking. Her teeth are out, always having dark circles. And so if you see her without makeup, anybody will get scared. That sort of, face she has. So I understood, this situation is created by divine, and it's time to have evidences about these people. So that's why I agreed to stay with her for 10 to 15 days. So the day I shifted, I was, connecting Bluetooth with her, mobile phone to listen music. And there I saw this twin flame was, kept on texting her and calling her. So I did not talk about this, and all of a sudden, she started talking about this twin flame, that I like him, or like, why don't you talk to him and all. But then at the same time, she's saying, that she has shared her bed with him several times in, Goa, and then also at some other places as a friend. That's how she said. And but then as she knew that, I like him, or I have feelings for him, so she wanted me to feel bad. That's her, that's what her intentions were. So everybody knew the kind of, dirty person she was. But now my concern was why this best friend is about to be, is again in a relationship with her, that to third time. So that happened only through black magic, that, love, spell binding and all. But then again, I had a question. How is this even possible? Where is divine? Because there were a lot of, difference in this girl and in this, best friend. So as I was not in communication with her, for 2016, when she did that, dirty thing by calling me in Goa and with the help of this twin flame, and then did not meet me. So there I disconnected, and then we again came in contact in 2017. So she herself started talking about twin flame, wherein I was telling her I do not want to talk about him. So, but then no, she was so interested in talking to me about him only. So till the time I stayed, with her at her place, I saw that, this twin flame kept on calling her and kept on texting her. That thing I noticed for those many days, I stayed with her. And then I also saw several evidences about this person involved into black magic. And as we were talking most of the time, whenever she had off and I was on off, so she used to, tell indirectly that she does black magic. She spoils life of people, but that too in indirect way she was telling me that she's into black magic. And so apart from some books which are being used into black magic, I also found some, several other evidences about her. But then what sort of a dirty person she was, that she would lie, or she always lie. Probably she doesn't speak truth ever. So one day, all of a sudden, she started crying. And I got scared, like, why she's crying. So she said, that she's sad and she want to commit suicide. So I said, why are you crying, and why do you feel like that you want to commit suicide, wherein you are in a relationship with my best friend and you should be happy, because that's what you claim, that you love him, and this is third time you have done a patch up. So she said no, she was missing, her ex-boyfriend, because he was again our common friend itself, and probably he doesn't talk to her, or she doesn't talk to her because of the best friend. So she actually knew what sort of, reaction she will have if she does this shittiest thing in front of me by showing those, fake tears and all. Why she had this idea? Because when I was in aviation, that time there was a girl who was a new joinee, and very pretty girl. She used to come and sit along with me and do, does her work, and then she used to call me elder sister, and always, asking details about, career success. So I used to guide her, and she took my number. So when I left this airline in 2014, it was a day as I was already going through back to back, black magic attacks. I was feeling extreme anxiety and depression, that too, that way that I will commit suicide. It was that heavy energy. So I knew if I do not go outside of my house, this will actually happen. It was such a force, I was not able to control it. And then I called my friend, and we both went, and sat in a park. It was sort of children's park. There I was feeling fine, and we also clicked pictures. We played some games there, like badminton and all. And then before going to this park, this girl was texting me again, asking normal things about career. So I said, I will talk to you later on, I have to go outside right now. So my situation was right, I was not in a right mindset. And then so once I clicked pictures, and then I forgot that I had to text her back about this career thing, which was not that urgent. So I thought I will reply her on weekend. And then after 2 days, I opened social media to upload my pictures, which I clicked in that park. And there I saw that this girl has ended her life by committing suicide. So I got panicked, and I started crying as if somebody, my closed person, has left the body, left from earth. And then I called these aviation people, and in the same department where this reptilian girl was there. So I called some senior to provide me address of her house so that I can visit her, her parents and all. And I felt so bad. Why? Because I saw on WhatsApp that probably I was the last person whom she texted, and that was the reason I was feeling so bad. I did not know anything about her situation. So I started crying, and when I called these people, they said do not go at her place, because it's been a police case, and she committed suicide because of her family pressure, because of again marriage pressure she had. That's what we got to know. So when these people guided me, no, don't do this, otherwise you'll be in trouble and all. And then I was literally in such a bad situation. I was not able to do anything, not able to focus on my work also. So this girl knew that this person who has committed suicide, she was not even my friend, just a contact. And the way I panicked, because I care about people a lot. So she knew this situation because she was there in the same department, and she got to know the way I panicked, and I wanted to visit her place. So she from that purpose, she did this drama by showing fake tears, and said she want to commit suicide. And also she said, do not tell my best friend, otherwise it will not be good, he'll feel bad and all. So but she knew what will I do. So when I reached my office, I spoke to my best friend. I said, do you really stop him, stop her from talking to other friends? He said, no, I don't. I said, this is what she's saying, I don't understand. You saying that you are in a relationship again with her, that too past 1 year, and then what is the purpose of saying these things? Is she really sad? Or what if she stays alone? What if she commits suicide then? So then he took her on conference and asked her, what has happened? Did I do something to you wrong, or did I ever ask you not to talk to other friends? I've not done that. So she said, why are you asking this? Then he said, this person is saying this, that you said you will commit suicide, you're feeling sad. She said, no, she's lying, I did not say anything like that. So I realized, yeah, this was the evidence, the shittiest person she is, because I always found her lying about everything almost. So I got all sort of evidences about this dirty reptilian girl, what sort of a person she was, and what all other shit she does. So what she used to do, she was practicing black magic on me, but at the same time, what she was doing, she was contacting all of my friends, the friends who I had in from this aviation. So she used to manipulate other friends and always talk against me to these friends, so that they stop talking. That's what she wanted. And I would not say that she was successful, because nobody likes to disconnect from me, but I knew what she was telling to other people. When we were talking, we always get to know what she has said to my friends. So, and then this way, this person was so obsessed with me, this reptilian girl, which I never recognized by that time, that she has been following me everywhere, copying every content, every word I write on social media, or I tell to people. So such she was obsessed to that extent that I could not say that is she really real, she has her own thing or not. And then okay, now it was the time to shift my location. in my best friend's area. There, that time he was not staying in the country in India. He was staying outside the country because he was working with another airline. So his parents got connected to me and welcomed me in a proper way, and then greeted me, and then pretended as if I'm their own child, helped me in shifting my location and also my house. So since what they were doing, when I started staying there, they used to call me on every weekend and asked me to stay with them. I said, okay, no problem, I understand, they are so concerned about me. But then what I realized, that whenever I used to eat or drink anything at their place, my health was getting worse day by day. So this thing I noticed for several months, because I did not know that these people are into this, magic or black magic thing. They did not tell me initially. But then when I started staying with them, going on weekend and staying with them, there I saw, they themselves told me that his father knows each and everything about, this tantric black magic thing, because he has done a lot of practices in the past. He stopped because his health was not supporting, and yeah, he was on medications, he was taking a lot of injections and several other sort of, medical tests he was going through. So when I met him, he was so sad from inside and was not even able to walk properly. But then, because of my energies, as these people were again narcissistic, evil and energy vampires, so my energies were sucked because of, I was spending time in their area at their place. So this person started running, where he was struggling to walk. This time he was so happy and even running. So he himself, said that after so many years he has this change, that too all of a sudden. So I knew this was happening because of my energy, because energies were getting drained. But at the same time, these people were, adding things into my food, related to the black magic, and they can bind me with them. Why? There had several reasons behind it. Also, when I shifted at their place, I realized there was some sort of energy which was pulling myself at their place again and again, on weekend definitely, but also on, weekdays, because I was working in night shift. So they wanted me to stay there, and eat food at their place. So I noticed these things after, for several months. And then one day, as we were talking, so I told to his father, just in an indirect way, about the girlfriend of my best friend, that we have a common friend, and this person is involved into black magic, and she has done this, love spell kind of thing with another best friend. And and this person has also even, been doing this thing. So his father said, wow, what a nice thing, how much she loves him, that she's doing these love spells. It is such a good thing. And then I started laughing, inside myself, that yeah, she's going to be part of your life. So I did not tell them. And but then they thought maybe I am the girlfriend of his, son, wherein I recognize this thing. So I told to my best friend, this is what your parents are thinking, and you should inform your parents about your girlfriend, otherwise I will tell them. So he said, how could they think like this? I did not tell them anything like that. I told them that you my friend only. So his father said, like, I do not understand why he never spoke about you, and though you know him since several years, and this is first time I heard, when this time he asked me to, look for a flat for you. I said, maybe it's the time only. So this father of this, best friend was into black magic and has done a lot of shittiest thing, and he was such a jealous person of others' success, that nobody should be successful more than them and more than his son. That's what he used to even tell in words, and I could recognize that jealousy. I also saw this, these parents backstabbing their own best friend. So as I was staying there, at their place, I got to see a lot of things. So the best friend of this, father's friend was his childhood friend, was a renowned person in area, I would say, for particular thing. So he himself said, that I am in connect with him so that I can have a lot of benefits of, contacts and sources and other help. And I was just, listening, like, I mean, I was thinking what sort of people they are. He is backstabbing his own best friend when this best friend was actually nice. Also, I saw, as he being narcissistic, person, that father of this best friend, what he used to do, that he used to make this best friend of mine, his own son, against his mother. That's how narcissistic people are, and that I cannot even, imagine that a father would do such shittiest thing. And that was the reason he was, struggling on health. So yeah, he said people did black magic on him also, but then yeah, it was his karma, because he has done a lot of black magic thing on other people to destroy their career, to destroy their life. So but yeah, he was alive but was going through all these things. So when I saw this person, tells his son not to talk about your salary with his mother, never tell her anything. He himself told me, I did not know that. Also, a controlling person on this, woman. So this woman was also a equal match to him, was not something different. Wherein the day I met with them, they were so good with me in behavior and everything, and was so supportive. But then it doesn't matter for me. You are backstabbing your own best friend, your own people. How could you think that I will think good about you? But yeah, I understood this was the situation created by divine, so that I see the evidences about these people. And also after shifting at his place, this best friend used to started telling me that he's jealous of others' success, he doesn't like other people to succeed more than him. And then I thought, if he thinks like this, how would he would not being jealous from me? And that was the reason he kept on asking about my salary. So I also got several other evidences about this best friend of being a wrong person. So what was the reason these parents were doing adding things into my food, so that I always stay with them? And there was reason that they wanted me to get married to his son, because they were so influenced by physical beauty. They always talk, we want to have such beautiful girl for our son, and wherein they were about to have such worst person in their life, and I was literally happy by seeing their karma. So, and you know what, they thought about this thing once, even when they had information about the girlfriend of my best friend. And then that time I had this conversation with his mother. How could you even dare to think like this when you know that your son is already in a relationship? She said, so what, we can do anything, we are parents. I said, no, you are definitely not the right person to talk. I'll share further story, but then the reason behind creating these situations in 2017, when I had to stay with that reptilian girl, and also coming in contact with the best friend, his father and his mother, and there was another sister. So divine wanted me to show that yeah, this reptilian girl did black magic. That's why this person was coming again and again in a relationship. Why? Because some people can definitely give you another chance when you have cheated on them in a love relationship with other person. But this was second or third time he agreed for a relationship, when he knew that this person has cheated with multiple partners. So this is not possible. He was not that kind of a person. But now why this black magic was working? Now this reptilian girl is going to be the karma of his parents, because they have done a lot of shittiest thing to people. Okay, so once this person is married to this person, and see, this best friend of mine never does anything without asking or discussing with his father. That sort of control his father had on his son. But since he came in a relationship with this reptilian girl, I myself have saw that this person has started hiding things from his father, wherein he could never digest that thing. He did not know that. And then so this would happen, that once this person is married, they both will be doing black magic on each other, becoming karma of each other. Why? Because father wanted to have entire control on his son, and also the girl who will be married to him. And again, his mother is also like that, not somebody different. So from this incident, it was proven that things are interconnected. So when we talk about, or we say that somebody is binded by the love spell or some other magic, so there are things connected. So it was actually absolutely right thing. That was the reason that this black magic was working on this person, wherein he was a spiritual person. So it was absolutely right, and I was happy with this and satisfied with this situation. Yeah, they will be having their karma, wherein they were already going through health and finances. So this was I got an answer. But then when I shifted at that location, and I joined this company. So the industry I was joining in 2017, I joined this company in 2017 Feb. So in this company, this how the environment was. It was upgraded version of that aviation industry where I met this twin flame. So I was so happy in that aviation industry because of the environment. So in this company, environment was so good. But if I compare with that general manager who was characterless person, in this company, this vice president who I was reporting directly, he was an angelic being. So again, I had a lot of freedom and liberty of doing anything and everything in the company. Like I can work as per my own timing. I can always take work from home whenever I want to. And there were beautiful a terrace created along with a lot of greenery. So we had laptop, we used to sit there and work. So it was such an amazing environment that I was so happy. So though I was going through black magic a lot, and health was getting health was suffering a lot, I was still started feeling happy because of the environment and having a lot of freedom of everything. There were big play the room where people used to play games, and also there were a lot of celebrations what was happening in aviation industry. So as just for me, this vice president hired a trainer so that who he can teach me about technical things, and I was in training approx for 2 to 3 months. So it was the beginning, probably third or fourth day when I was taking my training. I saw a girl who was sitting and crying on her desk. So I tried talking to her, maybe if I can help her. And then first of all, she wasn't ready because I was just new in the company and was also in training. So somehow she got convinced, and then she started talking, and she said like she was crying because of her some family problem. So this girl was like average looking person, and also I saw that nobody talks to her in her department, no female, no masculine. But as I started talking to her, then every each and every boy started talking to her. So she knew why these people were approaching her, and I also knew because she existed in the company since 3 years. So she was getting a lot of attention, she was so happy, and then I knew, so I was just ignoring because I don't talk to everybody. So since that day, we both were going on dinner, and one day I saw that there was a masculine who was having his dinner, and he was looking sad kind of personality. So being an empath, whenever I see somebody who is actually genuinely good and actually sad, then my attention goes there automatically. So and I could not stop that. So I said, this person looks like he is part of your team, and he looks so sad, I don't know why, but then such a good personality, I can say. And she said, no, he's not in my team, but he has also recently joined either 2 days before or after me, and he's associate manager in this company. So and then she said, yeah, he looks nice, and then again amazing personality when it comes about his looks. He was manager. So she, I think, did some research on his Facebook profile. So she saw that he comes from a wealthy family, also well settled in his career, and she's looking for a guy to get married. So I said, yeah, you can think about if he's interested. So she said, why don't you talk to him? I said, how can I talk to him, because I do not know him. And then as we both were going on dinner at the same timing in the cafeteria, so this person saw that I was looking at him, wherein my intentions were completely different. I was trying to study him for this girl. She said, yeah, she want to marry him. And then he thought maybe I was looking at him, probably I was interested. So through eyes I said, no, it's not me. But then I don't know what has happened, what sort of energy was created. He and I was continuously looking at each other, and meanwhile this girl got engaged to somebody else. So I realized this person is kept on looking at me. I understand being a masculine, okay, but then why am I looking at him all the time? I wanted to see him till the time I was in office. And then I thought maybe no, I'm just overthinking, because I have feelings for twin flame. I cannot have such sort of feeling for somebody else. But then after a month I realized, no, this is actually happening. All of a sudden I had same intense feelings for this person the way I had for this twin flame. And now I got scared, how is this even possible? And then what I was doing, I kept on changing my seat so that I could not see him even once. But then every time I turned my face for anything, I saw that he's looking at me, and I was able to do eye contact with him. Now this was such a weird thing that I was not interested in him, wherein this person was genuinely very nice, a spiritual person, good looking person, everything was there matching with my criteria. But then I said, no, I cannot do this because I am not over to this twin flame. And until I am over to this twin flame, I will not accept anyone. That was so clear, because that is again kind of cheating. His life will be unnecessarily spoiled. What if I, come in a relationship or get married to this person and then I'm not able to forget this twin flame then? So that should not happen. But as I was trying to ignore this person, there was also another strange thing was happening. Whatsoever I was thinking about this person, he was doing it at next day itself. Like as he always used to wear formal shirts, I thought maybe what if he wears a t-shirt. He was wearing t-shirt next day. What if he removes his beard? He was removing his beard wherein I was not talking to him. So was that telepathy thing? I do not know. But then this was happening on a regular basis. And I was thinking, how is this even possible? Whatsoever I think about him, he's doing it next day, wherein we both were not talking directly. And now I was raising question, what is this happening with me? Because this did not happen with twin flame. Twin flame was never able to read my mind or my thoughts. He was only what he was doing, he was trying to play mind games, because he thought it was working on me, wherein that was not the truth. It was only that I was the one who was pretending, and that's why he kept on playing one after another mind game. But he was never able to read my mind. But this person was able to probably pick up on my emotions and on my thought. So that was the scariest thing for me. And then what I started doing, on alternate days basis, I used to go on work from home. So I thought maybe if I do not see him, then it will be fine. This energy will be removed. The way I was so focused on him, I wanted to see him all the time. And it was a same thing happening with this person also, wherein he was such a genuine person and I wanted him to be safe. He should not be part of this. But it did not help. And then what I did, I went on work from home for a month. I thought maybe it will be over, once I do not see him for a month. So whenever I was at home, I was always thinking about twin flame, not about this person. But the time I was in office, I was always focused on this person. So this was the weirdest, thing which was happening with me. And then as it did not help me, so on alternate days basis, I was going on, work from home. And then I also went on work from home for, for 3 months, and then for 2 months, several times in an year time. And what this person was doing that, we were always talking indirectly. So if I have, gone on work from home for a week time, he will come next day, he will see me and will show me his anger that why didn't you come to office? You were on work from home intentionally so that you want to stay away from me, and I will also do the same thing to disturb you so that you will also not get to see me. This he was doing, wherein he did not have option to work from home because of his other team issue. But as he was a senior person, so he took that permission from his department, and he was going on work from home for the for so many days where I was going. When I did this for 3 months, he also did this. There I realized this is what he's doing. Also, I had a habit of not repeating my clothes. Like I had a habit of buying clothes today, I will wash it, iron it, and then I will wear it. So I was doing it on a frequent basis because we had a lot of liberty to wear whatsoever we want to wear in this company. And then I was doing photo sessions in the office because it was a sort of thing that entire team was doing. So I was happy doing all these things. And what he was doing, he started following the same thing, that he stopped repeating his clothes. And I saw and thought, like, people notice clothing thing also. I am not a person who would think about clothes or notice somebody's clothes. It's just that I thought he always comes in formals. What if he comes in casuals? So but then this is what I saw. I also saw him noticing and copying my hand movements, the way I talk and walk. I said, what is this happening? So the way we both were focused on each other, and we both were senior in this company. So one of my team member recognized that I am looking at him, wherein he knew that I do not talk to anyone. People want to talk to me, but they cannot. So he said, you are interested in this person? I said, no. But then somehow he recognized, and then he started talking about him, that this person stays alone in 3 BHK and cooks his food, cleans his house, and do not invite anybody at his place. Also he's single, and also a spiritual person, such a good person he is. So he himself took his information and started telling me as if I will definitely be interested in him. But no, I was not interested. It's just that these energies were disturbing me. So since then a few other people noticed that yeah, we both are focused on each other. But then the way I was looking at this person, there were several other guys who thought I was looking at them. So one of the person reached out to my team member, saying probably this person is interested in me and want to talk to me. So he said, no, she's not looking at you, she's looking at that person. There I met another person who was from his team, and he was again like this reptilian girl, I would say, who was kind of a model personality, amazing good looking guy. But then yeah, he was jealous that why was I focused on this person who was again interested in me, and this the twin flame kind of thing. So he started saying negative thing about this person, and I knew now he's a jealous person. But then something has happened which I will share in another video related to this person who matches with the reptilian girl's energy. So while these energies were bothering me a lot, at the same time, the moment I started working, in this company after completing my training. So one thing has happened, when I was in training, it was only about a week time when I started taking my training. Vice president called all other managers and introduced to me, and then he said, he made an announcement that there will be a position open for assistant vice president, and he'll be hiring, somebody from our team itself. So there was one senior manager who existed in the company since 10 years. So now only 3 people knew that this announcement was just for me. Why? Because vice president knew that I was coming from aviation industry by handling the designation of CEO, and also the senior manager, because I had one round of interview with him. So he became so insecure, but then he was so sure of his dirty things, because everybody knew that he's the best manager in the company, the supportive person. So by showing that he wanted to support me because I was new to this industry, he started like creating problems in my work. And then I saw failure in my work for the first time. I never saw failure in my career, and I have been known for doing extraordinary work and work performance. So within 3 months I recognized that this person is doing this intentionally, and that was the reason that my work was not happening, the performance was going down. So my vice president was so supportive. He was an angelic being, was supporting everybody. But what kind of personality he was, this vice president most of the time tells us that we all are going on dinner outside office after coming to office, and then we used to come back. We were also going for a movie, the entire team, with this vice president, also on several trips. So this was like he was kind of a grandfather thing. Such an amazing personality I met. For the first time I met a person who had zero ego, sitting on that higher designation, and not having ego. It was a zero ego. Several times I argued with him because he realized that I do not lie. So one day he called me. He thought maybe I was not able to perform because of I do not work like other people does, cheating and all, manipulating. So he called me and he said you know what, there is a female who is part of this company since 10 years, and she always works from home. She makes $1 million in a year, that to work from home. And then apart from that, she also has a lot of other benefits. She goes on international trips from the company. So she said, is she saint? I said, no, I know that she's not a saint person, because I know how she works, the way she's snatching the data of other people, other team members. So I know that. And then he said, I make $18 million in a month, in a year, and also have a lot of benefits apart from, making those 18 millions. He said, do you think I am a saint? I said, you are insulting yourself while sitting in your cabin, on your chair. I started laughing. He was also laughing. He said, this, world do not work like this. The honesty you are showing in the work. I said, I've always been working like this. And this is for the first time I'm seeing this failure. And I understand you have a lot of expectations from me. But then somehow what he did, without even telling me, he asked a recruiter to work with me who was from another team, who had nothing to do with my work. But then he said, no, I want to work with you, and we both can work together and you can have good results through me, and I'm interested. But then also at the same time he said, this vice president has created some people who acts like Superman, who helps people secretly. There I realized this thing was done by my vice president. Okay, so I told this recruiter not to give any of my data to this senior manager, otherwise we will not be able to have success in our work. He followed the same thing and also told me this person is kept on asking about my data. So I said, do not do it, and immediately my performance was raised. So I had good work performance, for 6 months, and after 6 months this person resigned, and then it was again, got down because of this senior manager, because he has he had another opportunity. So till the time I was working with this recruiter, the performance was up. But then I already completed 1 year time, and my vice president called me. He said, this is the appraisal amount, it was 2 lakh rupees annual appraisal. And he said, how would I give it to you? I understand you have performance, I have some of your data, a successful business on the email, but I do not see any of your data in the system. And if I do your appraisal, management will raise question on me that do I have any sort of relationship with you, why am I doing that? I said, I understand, but this thing has been happening, and because of this reason I did not enter my data. So I told him that somebody is trying to do this, trying to harm my work. He said, who's that person is? I said, no, I will not tell you his name, otherwise he'll be fired. So he said, no, you will have to tell me, otherwise I will not let you go from this cabin right now. And then it's been half an hour, we were talking, and he was trying to trick through conversation so that I tell him his name. And it happened. I did not want to disclose his name, but it happened. And then he was shocked. He said, I could never imagine this person would ever do such shittiest thing. So then I told him, you will not say anything to this person, and you will also not fire him, because he's a married person having children. And also he was not agreeing. So I said, I don't need your appraisal, and I will also resign right now if you go ahead and say anything to him. Because I was the one, who did not want anyone to lose their job, wherein I was not the reason. So he agreed when I said that, I will resign right now and you will not be able to stop me. He agreed for that thing. But then at the same time, what has happened after this discussion with this vice president, what has happened, Divine created some situation wherein this manager, who was trying to create hurdles into my work performance, was kicked out of the office, and he was insulted. And then Divine said, you will forgive these people, we will never do that. So this is your duty, that you will have to punish these wrong people wherever you meet them. And this was for the first time when Divine taunted me this way, that I forgave that person wherein I was not supposed to. So wherein this person also had good relationship with several other senior people in the company. So this was first incident. Another incident happened. So back to back there were incidents happening. Back to back challenges were there in my work. I was not able to perform again and again. Sometimes my health was also not supporting because of this black magic. Most of the time I was on leave, but then still I had a lot of support from this vice president. He did not want to let me go, because he knew the work I have handled, I am the performer. Also several incident got repeated what has happened in that aviation industry, that that abusive language incident which happened, that also happened in this company. So I was reminded of my own timing. And again I was going on leave back to back, sometimes because of this person for whom I had intense feelings like twin flame. And most of the time it was my health, it was not supporting because of black magic. And also it was a day wherein it was both the cabs were from the office, and we only went a few kilometer distance, and both these cabs got collided. So I realized this was a black magic attack to end my life. And that time a lot of things happened. But then what I did, I continued working in this company, but I decided to leave this company because of this person for whom I had intense feeling. So he proposed indirectly, I denied, no, this cannot happen. But then he was again about to come. That time I was on my knees and I told to Divine, please save this person from me, Divine. And then Divine told me that it was my divine test. Why was it divine test and how it was happening? that is really important thing that I will share in another video, so that the real twin flames understand, this divine test related to twin flame. So I guess this was first divine test wherein divine told me that this was my divine test, and I was literally upset with this. So I'll share it in another video. This was about today's video. Please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.